In this video, I'll show you how to set up a birthday automation in Mailchimp step by step. First, navigate to the Mailchimp website and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, go to Automations from the left-hand menu. Then open Flow Templates. In the search bar, type Birthday and select the Celebrate Customer's Birthday template. Click on it and wait a moment while Mailchimp generates the automation flow for you. Next, click Use this flow. Now, click Choose Date, enter how many days before the birthday you want the email to be sent, select your audience's birthday date field, and then click Save Trigger. If you'd like, you can also customize the birthday email and modify the automation flow to suit your needs. Once everything is ready, click Continue in the top right corner. Finally, review the settings, confirm everything, and activate the automation. Keep in mind that birthday automation requires a supported paid Mailchimp plan. If your current plan doesn't include automation features, Mailchimp will display an error and you won't be able to activate the flow. And that's how you can set up a birthday automation in Mailchimp.